Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on Ubuntu. While this popular game isn't natively supported on Linux, you can absolutely enjoy it using compatibility tools. We'll focus on Lutris, an excellent open-source game manager that streamlines the process. It handles the underlying Wine or Proton layers, making installation much simpler. Many players have successfully set up and are actively playing Genshin Impact on their Ubuntu systems, so you can too. Before diving into the game, let's prepare your Ubuntu system. First, make sure your graphics drivers are completely up to date for the best visual experience. Next, you'll need to install Wine, which is essential for running Windows programs. Then, install Lutris by adding its repository and running sudo apt install Lutris. Finally, enable 32-bit architecture support with sudo dpkg add architecture i386 to ensure wide compatibility for various game components. With Lutris installed, the game installation becomes quite straightforward. Launch Lutris and use the search bar to find Genshin Impact. You'll typically find a community-maintained installer script. Select this for a smooth setup. Lutris will then help you download the official game launcher from the developer. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions provided by the launcher to download and install the game files, which can be over 100 gigabytes in size. To get the best experience, consider a few optimization tips. Using the latest Wine or Proton versions like G-Proton often provides improved stability and performance. Always ensure your system has proper Vulkan API support and that your graphics drivers are current. If you encounter performance issues, try lowering some in-game graphical settings. Remember, the Linux gaming community is a fantastic resource. Many players share solutions for common issues, so don't hesitate to seek their advice for specific challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.